We're roasting QueryPDF, a PDF Q&A app with a fast API backend and a React-Vite frontend. On paper, upload a PDF, ask questions. In practice, let's see how many paper cuts it takes to get there. First stop is the GitHub repo, where the pitch is actually clear. PDF analysis with natural language queries. So great, the idea makes sense. That's the last easy thing this setup does for a while.
I cloned it and installed both sides. Credit where it's due, Python deps and npm install completed without exploding. That alone already puts this repo above a shocking amount of AI app infrastructure. The front end came up on port 5173 pretty quickly, but the back-end README and code were hinting at Google Gemini, LangChain, FAIS, and PDF processing. So now we're in classic simple app territory. 7 moving parts and a prayer. Then the real dev experience showed up. The backend didn't boot cleanly because the LangChain imports were stale. I had to patch backend/utils/core.py just to get Uvicorn running. Nothing says welcome contributor like emergency dependency archaeology. And after that, I found the front-end hardcodes that deployed render URLs for key requests. So even with your local backend alive, parts of the UI still want to phone home. That's not local development. That's long-distance relationship development. Once the app loaded, the UI was simple and readable. Upload PDF, ask questions, done. It even warns that the free hosted instance may take 50 seconds to wake up, which is honest, but also a hilarious thing to put in front of users like it's a feature. Under the hood, the core pipeline is exactly what you'd expect. Read PDF text with PyPDF2, chunk it, embed it with Google Generative AI, store vectors in FAIS, then answer with a LangChain QA chain. Sensible architecture, brittle setup. Final verdict. I did get the app shell running. Front-end responded, back-end ping returned Pong, but only after code fixes, and local dev is undermined by hard-coded production URLs. So QueryPDF is demoable, not really plug and play.